Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm gonna try to make this quick. This is a trading recap. March 3rd, or my bad. It's March 27th. This is Friday. And it's 2026. So let me get into it. I got two trades today. Here's the first one. First one was on MNQ. Loki got unlucky today. So I thought the daily bias would be bullish. So I don't know how to explain it. Everything on the higher time frames was going down, so I was like, all right, bearish. But we're just really close to London lows. We might sweep and go bullish again because we've been doing that the past couple days. I'm gonna be honest, and then later on reject down. And I was gonna try to get like two trades in, but instead this is what happened. So if this ever happens again, here is what I'm gonna do better actually. So if this ever happens again, I'm gonna enter way earlier and or just wait till it comes down a lot more, or I'm going, and then when I'm targeting highs, it doesn't matter what the take profit is. I'm just always going to target the 0.75 range because it usually always comes into this range no matter what. So here's my trade. Came down, pretty much market immediately came down, started making fucking fair value gaps to the downside. We swept London lows on both MNQ and MES. After that, it came all the way up and just boom, like a big Drake dip. Not big, but decently big. Inverse this 5 minute gap or whatever 1 minute gap, and I'm like, all right, well it's 1 minute. I don't have to go down any lower time frame. Came up, and I didn't want to enter immediately because I low-key was scared to enter. I didn't want to, because I'm like, I've never entered off of inverse this early before, just in inverse in general, because I'm still playing with inverses. I just started like using them like this week because it's been happening a lot, and I'm like, I need to adapt. So Loki got scared. I waited, and I got this really bad entry super high up, and see it was up above the 0.75 range. But it doesn't really matter. I pretty much got stopped out immediately. Barely got wicked out. Literally. Alright, look, this is 2 ticks by the way for my stop loss or take profit. If I literally just entered like 2 ticks down, I would have hit TP. But I didn't, and I got wicked out. And I'm like, you know what? We're not ending today like this. It's too early. We need to find something good. So I go over to ES because ES is on my other screen. I have two monitors. So I go over to ES for this is my other trade now. This was a little bit later. We did hit TP, so we've actually made profits on the day. Not as much as usual. So the first trade we lost $47.50. And then this trade, let me look at it. This one was pretty good, but I did enter badly. I should have entered a lot better. But here we go. So it came up after it came all the way up here, like MNQ happened. I got stopped out right around here, boom, came up, and then we started coming down. I'm like, wait a minute. If we inverse here, we could low-key go short. But if it doesn't inverse, I'm not trading today unless it comes up. Like I would have probably entered here or something and then got stopped out. Or no, I actually would have hit take TP still. But it doesn't really matter. So I went down to the 1 minute. I'm like, all right, let's see if we hit inverse because we're in equilibrium. This is the discounted price zone. And then we're in a fair value gap, I'm pretty sure. And then this is a big order block right here on the 5 minute. So it's some pretty good confluences. So I'm came out of the 1 minute. Inverse, literally immediately, see, boom. I should have entered right when this one closed and I saw this one start moving down. But I entered a little late. Doesn't matter. It came all the way down, immediately hit TP, and like what how many minutes is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minutes. 7 minutes till TP. Made like $95 on this trade, and we didn't go negative on today. And now I think we're like up. Let me check. Hold up. Let me check real quick. I'm up. Notes. Let me go to my notes. I have it on my notes. I'm up $29.06 this month. So I've been negative the past like 3 months. Like at the end of the month, like January I was negative. I don't remember how much. February I was negative like $80, and this month I've been negative the entire month, just trying to fight back and come positive. Finally positive, and hopefully we can keep it that way. I've been winning a little more lately, and yeah, that's all the trades today. News was at 7 a.m. revised UOM consumer sentiment. So I actually traded before the news started. Where was it? 7 a.m. Yeah, I kind of just see, look, a wick down, and then came back up and like just went up and closed bullish. So yeah, it's pretty much it for today. Let me check if I got everything. Oh yeah, the time of each trade. 6:40 a.m. for the first one and 6:51 a.m. for the second one. That's my time, by the way, so it might be different on your charts or whatever. Doesn't really matter though. And they're both. Second one's a short. First one was a long. This is New York session. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, the bias was started bullish and then ended bearish. Yeah. All right, that's actually it this time. So yeah, that's the trading recap for today. See you guys tomorrow. Or wait, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's fuck. I hate Saturday, bro, and Sunday. I can't trade. I might have to move to crypto or something. Um, but yeah, see you guys tomorrow on Monday, which hopefully that'll be my next trading recap. Peace.